The Redmi A5 is one of the latest entry-level phones from Xiaomi, offering an attractive combination of affordable price, reliable performance, and modern design. Priced at $66, this device aims to meet the needs of users who are looking for a simple phone with a long battery life and a large screen for everyday entertainment and communication. Here is a complete review of the Redmi A5 that you need to know. The Redmi A5 comes with a modern design that feels fresh in the entry-level class. The body features a flat frame with a striking camera module, giving it a contemporary look, even though the main material is still plastic. Interestingly, this phone still feels solid when held and does not leave a cheap impression. Xiaomi has also added a matte texture to several color variants so that it does not easily leave fingerprints, keeping it looking neat and clean even with frequent use. Ergonomically, the dimensions of 171.7 x 77.8 x 8.3 millimeters and a weight of 193 grams make it comfortable to use even with a large screen. The power button, which doubles as a fingerprint sensor, and the volume buttons are located on the right side, while the bottom houses the USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and microphone. On the left side, there is a slot for 2 SIM cards and 1 microSD card, providing extra flexibility for users who want to increase storage capacity without sacrificing the main SIM card. The smartphone's screen is one of its main attractions, as it uses a 6.888-inch IPS LCD panel with HD Plus resolution of 720 x 1640 pixels. Although it does not reach full HD resolution, the visual display is still comfortable thanks to fairly accurate colors and a wide viewing angle. Interestingly, this screen supports a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, making scrolling and animations feel smooth, something rarely found in phones in the million rupiah price range. The screen brightness reaches 450 nits with HBM up to 600 nits, which is bright enough for indoor use, although visibility in direct sunlight is still less than optimal. Fortunately, the auto brightness feature helps adjust the brightness automatically, while the TÜV Rheinland certification for low blue light and flicker-free makes this screen safer for prolonged use. In terms of additional features, the Redmi A5 is equipped with a fingerprint sensor on the power button and responsive face unlock, although sometimes the fingerprint needs to be pressed twice to unlock. This phone also retains a 3.5mm audio jack and supports FM radio when using wired earphones. However, the number of sensors is limited, as it only includes an accelerometer, light sensor, and compass, while the proximity sensor is still virtual. Other features like gyroscope, NFC, and infrared blaster are absent, despite some competitors in the same price range beginning to offer them. The main camera is 32 megapixels with an f2.0 aperture and is equipped with an additional sensor for depth effects, enabling it to produce sharp and natural-looking photos when used during the day. Thanks to AI scene detection support, the camera can automatically adjust settings according to the object being captured, such as food, landscapes, or portraits. In low light conditions, the improved night mode helps capture up to 18% more light compared to the previous generation, Redmi A3, resulting in brighter photos with reduced noise. However, image quality remains better when lighting is sufficient. For video recording, the rear camera is capable of producing resolutions up to 1080 pixels at 30 fps, which is standard for the entry-level class. On the front, the 8-megapixel camera with a f2.0 aperture is reliable enough for selfies and video calls, especially with the fill light feature from the screen that makes portraits in dark places still look clear. In terms of storage performance, the Redmi A5 offers a combination of 4GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB eMMC 5.1 internal memory, which is sufficient for everyday needs such as opening applications, social media, and storing photos. If that's not enough, the RAM expansion feature allows you to add up to 4 GB of virtual RAM, bringing the total to 8 GB to help with multitasking. The 128 GB storage capacity is also sufficient to accommodate many files, while the MP3 slot that supports up to 1 TB provides additional expansion space. With this combination, the Redmi A5 can be relied upon for long-term use without quickly running out of memory. The chipset still uses the Unisoc T7250, which is manufactured with 12-nanometer technology and has 8 processor cores, consisting of two 1.8 GHz Cortex-A75 cores for heavy demands and 6 more power-efficient 1.6 GHz Cortex-A55 cores. The Mali G57MC2 GPU support makes this phone quite capable for daily activities such as social media, browsing, and watching videos. Based on testing, the Antutu score reached around 264,000 points, and Geekbench 6 recorded 439 for single-core and 1471 for multi-core, which means its performance is above several competitors in the same class, such as the itel P70. For gaming, the Redmi A5 can still run Mobile Legends on high settings, PUBG Mobile on smooth high mode, and Free Fire on ultra graphics with stable FPS, although its performance starts to decline when playing heavy games like Genshin Impact. On the software side, the Redmi A5 runs pure Android 15 without heavy interfaces like MIUI or HyperOS, so it feels lighter, cleaner, and ad-free. This operating system also makes the phone more efficient, as memory consumption is significantly lower. Upon first use, only about 21 GB of storage is occupied by the system, leaving users with ample free space for apps and personal files. Xiaomi also guarantees 2 operating system updates, meaning the device will receive updates to Android 16 and Android 17 in the future. The Redmi A5 is equipped with a 5200 mAh battery with good endurance, lasting up to a day and a half with normal use and even longer with light use. In a 10-hour 4K video playback test, 43% of the battery remained, indicating fairly good power efficiency. Unfortunately, its charging only supports 15-watt fast charging, so it takes about 2 hours and 40 minutes to fully charge. However, this is still understandable since a 15-watt charger is included in the sales package. The Xiaomi Redmi A5 4GB RAM with 128GB storage is an attractive option in the entry-level class, priced at $72. With 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage that can be expanded via a microSD slot, this phone offers ample space for daily needs. Its battery has a capacity of 5200 mAh with support for 15-watt fast charging via a USB-C port, complete with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and a retained 3.5mm audio jack.